معكم ليث بدارنا. In this video we will discuss the photoelectric effect. The photoelectric effect is a type of the photon interaction with matters. Okay, photoelectric effect, the first thing we must know, it's an interaction between the photons and the electrons of the atoms. Okay, the second thing we must know, the photoelectric effect will make an interaction or happened with the innermost electrons in the atoms. Okay, the third things we must know, the incident photon must have an energy equal or above the binding energy of an electron to allow the electron to emit from the atoms and make an ionization of the atoms. Okay, these three things, it's very important, we must to know. Okay, we will now discuss the photoelectric effect in this picture. We must know the interaction between the photons and the electrons. This interaction, it's called collision interaction. In Arabic, it's تصادم. When this collision happens between photons and electrons, the photons have energy, will give its all energy to the electron. Okay, all we must focus in this step. All the energy of incident electron will gives to the electron and the photon will disappear. Okay, the first step, the incident photon, like in this picture, HV, come to an atoms and goes to the innermost shell and the innermost electrons. This interaction, we said that they called collision interaction. This interaction, when happen, all the energy of the incident photon will gives to the innermost electron. This energy of electron, it's a kinetic energy. This kinetic energy will allow the electron to emit from the atom, like in the second picture. Okay, the second figure. When electron is emitted from the atoms will be in the excited state, not stable. Okay, to be stable, and they will make an de-excited state. How will be in de-excited state or to be stable another time? This, when electron is emitted from the atoms, they will be a vacancy in the innermost shell. To fill this vacancy, an outer electron will come to fill this vacancy. When this outer electron come to fill this vacancy, they will emit a characterization radiation. It's a radiation, it's called characterization radiation, X-ray, like X-ray. Okay, this characterization radiation, when it emits, maybe interaction with another electron and make the electrons to emit from the atoms. When the second electrons emits from the atoms, it's called an Auger electron. Okay, this is the all things of photoelectric effects,